guys, I hope you liked our story this week for our mentor sentence. We got to choose a really cool sentence out of that story, and I'm going to write it now if you have not. And it's a little bit shorter than last week too. The children run to him with the speed and grace of cheetahs. The children run to him with the speed and grace of cheetahs. All right, so today you were supposed to just look at this sentence and tell me anything you noticed. I gave you a little clue that this week we are going to focus on the simple subject and the simple predicate. And so maybe you could have pointed that out and noticed that today. So the simple subject is children. That's your simple subject. The noun this is about, okay? And what are the children doing? They're running, okay? So run is your simple predicate or verb, okay? So the children run to him with the speed and grace of cheetahs. Okay, and one thing I notice also when I look at this sentence is that we're comparing the children and the way they run to cheetahs. Okay, that's an interesting way to put it because when cheetahs run, they're really beautiful. Okay, they're fast. They're graceful, as they put it, elegant when they run. They can turn because of their tail very quickly. And so I can just imagine these children running that way and quickly to him because maybe they're excited or happy to see him, okay? So very good visualization that they give us by telling us that they're running like the cheetahs. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, what else do I notice? This is a simple sentence. There's no commas. They didn't put anything together. So I might put simple sentence. We've had some pretty complicated sentences the past 2 weeks. This one isn't complicated. It's very simple, not complex. I know there's more than one child because it says children. So children, that's called being plural, not singular, plural. And those are just some things that I noticed. So if you didn't notice those, you can copy off of mine. You can also have some other things maybe you noticed that were different than what I have.